when I moved back from LA and felt like I had failed as a musician and I had to get back into tech and I had to conform. I overdid it and I got this jacket. Really glad to be letting it go. My goal is to extreme declutter my bedroom with the KonMari method in one day. Will I be able to declutter 17 years of clutter and my life
in one day?
Marie has 5 categories I'm going to attempt today. Start with decluttering your clothes, your books, your papers, your Komono, miscellaneous, your electronics, random stuff. And then 5 is the sentimental items. The first step is clean out all your clothes. In each category, you gotta put everything in one pile. Ask yourself, does this item spark joy? And if it does, keep it. And if it doesn't, donate it or discard it. I don't even know where to start. I'm a little overwhelmed. I bought this hoodie in Europe. The summer after college. This brings back good memories, but I just don't wear it and it's too tight on me now. Brings back really good memories though. Could take a picture of it. It's time to go through this pile of stuff
from college.
Whoa. Come a long way from wearing these every day to work. Does this shirt spark joy? Definitely this shirt sparks joy. I like to dress with colorful clothing, flashy, kind of like unique. In LA with my musician friends, like artist friends, it was like it would be cool if you did that, if you expressed yourself. Self-expression, baby. It is 11 p.m. Definitely not finishing this all in a day. Oh. Feels good to get rid of all of that stuff. I'm going to KonMari all these books in my bedroom and just keep the ones that spark joy. Oh wow, this is vintage. Here's my Goldman Analyst class. Where am I? That's me right there. Boom. I'm keeping it. I'm gonna keep it for now. Definitely want to read that. This would be fun to read. I just haven't had time. I guess if I haven't read it, I'm probably gonna keep it. But then if I haven't read it, that means it hasn't been good enough to read. Guitar. Does this spark joy? No. I organized all my books and I made a dent. You can see there, that is something. That's not nothing. Going a little crazy from cleaning. Today we are gonna handle all these papers, my notes, my music annotations. Brings back a lot of memories, a lot of my dreams as a musician. Let's go. A lot of ideas, lyrics. Oh my god. Ooh. My VC offsite, we're at the Four Seasons in Hualalai. Dream, create something I really believe in, either a business and or music. I'm gonna keep this as a reminder. This is tough. Definitely getting more sentimental. This is when I first moved to LA. I did a cover with my friend Soleil. I met at the Songwriting School of LA, and we did Tell Me Where It Hurts. This is tough to give up, but I really don't need this paper. And I had this video, so going to toss it. Learning about myself and having ideas to share with other people, whether it was through a song or now through videos or through writing, whatever it is, so valuable to me, my journal. So I'm going to put it in this weather type bin here. Feeling the joy, Marie. I'm feeling the joy. My goal is to tackle all the Komono miscellaneous stuff. I put it all in my room here. This is my Lyft business card. After I got tinnitus and couldn't keep playing live shows, I started driving Lyft and Uber so that I could keep making music. Let's go, Brittany. Ready? So yeah, this is what I'm keeping. Giving this and this away. Just going to toss it. This has been really cathartic. I had a bag of receipts from Graceland where Elvis lived, and it felt really good to keep the receipts and put them in my scrapbook to like remember that phase of my life when I was a songwriter and all I wanted to do was write songs. And cleaning this out does make more room for what I have now. My relationship, enjoying that, telling stories with video. I guess underlying it, the through line is I've always wanted to be loved and to love others.
On that road we were so much younger, the horizon stretched out front. I told you I would change the world, burn brightly as the sun. Talking big about the future, all the great things I would do. I believed I was something special and you believed it too.
After I recorded Lions on the Beach in LA, I did an indie tour across the US. Definitely gonna keep all these pictures. I'm gonna start organizing and just cleaning everything up.
Reflecting back on this whole crazy Marie Kondo extreme decluttering 10-day extravaganza, right now I feel so fresh, clean, new, expansive, hopeful. Some of the biggest things I learned were it gets worse before it gets better. Every day I'd wake up and there'd be a mountain of clutter and I'd feel so much resistance and I feel like I just want to give up, but I pushed through, and every day I made progress, and here we are. I really learned that beyond material things, it's so important to focus on what sparks joy for you, whether it's experiences, people that you spend time with, your life in general. And the biggest takeaway I got was it's not about focusing on what you want to get rid of, but instead it's focusing on what's most important to you and what you want to keep. If you enjoyed watching me declutter my physical space, you might enjoy watching me declutter my brain. I went to a 10-day silent meditation retreat, and I made a video about my Vipassana experience and what I learned. Keep creating and have an awesome day.